Buenos días, Chaffinches. Let's going to continue with our learning of fractions. Let's going to correct first of all yesterday's work. So if you get a pen, we can go through it together. Remember, yesterday we were looking at how to work out fractions of an amount and how to do it in an easier way by using division. So let's see. You had 1/5 of 30. Instead of writing 30 objects, 1/5 of 30, I know that 30 is the whole lot. And when I say 1/5, I'm thinking of one part of 5 equal parts, one bit of something that I've divided into 5. So that's something that I divided into 5 is 30. So 30 divided into 5 is 6. Well done. Your next one, you had 1/5 of 45. The same. When I say 1/5, I'm thinking of something that is split into 5 equal parts, and then that's something that is split into 5 equal parts is 45. I got 45 and I split it into 5 equal parts, and I'm taking 1. So that is absolutely the same than if I say 45 divided by 5 equals 9. Okay, right, let's going to carry on. We had 1/5 of 60. 1/5 of 60. When I say 1/5, I'm thinking of one part of 5 equal parts, and then if it's of 60, I have 60 and I have divided into 5 equal parts. And I want to know how much is 1. 12. Okay? Right, let's going to continue. 2 more to go. You had 1/8 of 32. And now that I'm down here, 1/6 of 30. Okay, so on this one, 1/8 of 32. Again, if I say 1/8 of 1/8, I'm thinking of something that has been split into 8 equal parts and I've took 1. What has been split into 8? 32. So I have 32 and I have divided into 8 equal parts, which is 4. Well done. Okay, and the last one, 1/6. I'm thinking of something split into 6 equal parts. That something is 30. So 30 divided into 6 is 5. Okay, I don't know if you can see it well with that light of my window. 6, 9, 12, 4, 5. Okay, right, let's see today's work. Look at all my fractions. 1/5, 1/8, 1/6. The fractions where the numerator is 1, we call them, do you remember? We call them unit fractions. Now today we are going to be working with non-unit fractions. A non-unit fraction is any fraction which the numerator, remember the numerator is the number that goes on the top, yeah? Which the numerator is bigger, is more than 1. All the times that is 1, that is a unit fraction. But then if I have 2/5, this is a non-unit fraction. 3/5, 4/5, 5/5, which is 1 whole. Yeah, so any number any fraction that the top number, my numerator is over 1, that is a non-unit fraction, and that's what we are going to be exactly today. That's what we are going to be doing exactly today, okay? Working with non-unit fractions, where the numerator is more than 1. Okay, right. I want you to have a look at this fraction. Non-unit fraction because my numerator is 2, it's not 1. Okay, let's see. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have a row of 7. How many times do I have the same row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many do I have in total? 5 times 7? 7 times 5? So I have 35 coins. I have 35 coins. And then when I say 2/5 and I have 35 coins, and I am going to take 2/5. Now when I say 2/5 is this, but I'm thinking straight away of a group that is being divided into 5 equal parts. I'm going to do it more equal. Group that has been, I'm going to sneeze. A group that has been divided into 5 equal parts, and if I say 2/5, I'm taking 2 parts of the 5 group in it. So I'm taking 1/5 and I'm taking another 5th, which is 1, 2. So I'm taking 2/5. Okay? Right. Let's see. Let's going to do it on the quicker way. We knew yesterday, we learned how to get quick how many are going to be on each group. If I have 5 groups, what is going to be on each group? So let's going to do it quick in that way. So we knew that my whole is 35 and I am dividing it into how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 35 divided into 5 is 7. That's right. So I have 7, a group of 7, another group of 7, 14, another group of 7, 21, another group of 7, 28, and another group of 7, 35. And I'm getting 2 groups of 7. So this is 1 group of 7, but if I get 2 groups of 7, I am now getting 7. How many times I'm getting the 7? 2. Which is the same as 7 at 7 is 14. 1 group of 7 is 7, then I know that 2 groups of 7 is 14. So the answer, if I put it down here, I know then that 2/5 of 35 is 14 because it's 2, not 1. Okay, so that's today's work. Let's go into it together. Open your book. Remember that we need to draw this, so it helps us out a little bit today. Let's go to open your book. Let's go to do one together, and then after I send you to do yours, okay? And then we check, we correct together to see if it's correctly, if you've done it correctly, and then after you can do your work. All right? Okay. Let's have a go. I am going to give you, let's going to do together this one. Two eighths of 18. So my first step is going to be know how many groups of 3s, how many groups of something is 3 times 18, okay? So let's going to see our first step, 18 divided by 3, because I'm saying 2/3. I'm thinking of something that is being shared equally 3 times. Sorry, something that has been shared equally 3 times. And I'm thinking of 2 bits. Let's go to see what is it first. So if I get my whole, which is 18, and I divide it into 3 groups, I get, yes, absolutely, I get 6. So I know that I have 6, 6, 12, 2 6 are 12, and 3 6 are 18. So I know that I can have 6, but then I am not taking only 1/3, because this is 1/3. I am taking 2/3. I'm taking this one and this one. So I'm taking 2 groups of 6. And 2 groups of 6 is 2 times 6, 12. Absolutely right. So I know that 2/3 of 18, because I'm taking 2, is 12. Okay. Right, let's go to the next one. When you do it, and then after I correct it for you to see if you got it correct. You need to do 2/3 of 12. Okay? On your book, go for it. Play it again when you're ready. Right, so I know that I'm saying 2/3, but what I really know is that I have split a group into 3. Yeah, I split 12 in this case. I had 12 and I have split it into 3 groups, equal groups. And I'm taking 2. Let's going to find out first what is 1. What is each one of them? Okay, let's see. So I can do 12 divided by 3 groups. I got the 12 and then I divide it into 3 and I get 4. That's right. So now I know that I have 4, 4, and 4. But then 4 is 12 divided into 3 groups. So 4 is 1 group of 4. I want to know what is 2 groups of my 3 equal parts. What is 2 of them together? 1/3 and another third, and 1/3 makes 2/3. I want to know what is this. So if I have 4, add another third, which is another 4. 4 add 4 is 8. Well done. So I know that 2/3 of 12 is 8. Easy, easy, easy. Right, so that's your work today. Go and have fun. Have a go at it. Quite easy. Just draw it and then think about what is when you need to. It's a non-unit. It's a non-unit fraction, so you need to take more than one and see what you get. Okay? Adios.